Imagine transforming your toenails instantly. The EDA luxury beauty press-on toenails are here to revolutionize your beauty routine, providing you a salon-quality look right at home. Each kit comes complete with 24 false toenails, a handy nail file, and pink gel nail glue, making application super simple and quick. You can confidently wear these nails without worrying about chipping or fading, as they are designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, they're good for the planet. No more worries about sizing. Each set offers multiple sizes and is designed to adapt to your natural toenail shape, allowing for personalized styling. These stunning press-on toenails are ideal for any event, allowing you to shine brightly wherever you go, making you feel glamorous and confident. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Click the link below to purchase your instant glam solution, and subscribe for more fabulous reviews.